Hey guys, welcome to Gadgets 360. My name is Pranay and in this video I'm going to be telling you all you need to know about the latest development around the iPhone SE 2020, which is that this phone is going to be made in India. Now does this mean that the SE 2020 will be cheaper? What can you realistically expect in terms of pricing and what are the implications of this move to make the phone in India? I'll be telling you all you need to know about these things in this video. Be sure to stay with me till the end, and of course before you watch this video be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we publish new videos. And as always, if you like our videos, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. Okay, so first, the most important thing, it is that the iPhone SE 2020 is going to be made in India very soon. We are hearing that a Wistron facility in Karnataka is where these phones are going to be assembled. And of course, I should clarify that made in India term before we proceed with this video. Made in India does not mean that Apple designs the phone in the country, Apple manufactures every single component. It does not mean that. What it means is that the design as usual happens in California, in Apple HQ, and after that the manufacturing of individual components may happen wherever else in the world as it's been happening so far. But the assembly of this smartphone will happen in India. And that is good enough to allow Apple to not pay that 20% import duty that's associated with phones that are imported. So this means that because Apple is saving on the 20% import duty, there is a chance that the phone may be available for a little cheaper in the country. Now, I am not saying that this phone will immediately become cheaper. Just because Apple is to pay 20% less doesn't mean that tomorrow the iPhone will be available at 34,000 rupees or whatever. But what it does mean is that there is a chance that eventually we could see this phone hitting lower prices. Now, we've already seen that this phone has been available at a significantly lower price than its MRP of 42,500 rupees. And that was during a recent sale. I think on both Flipkart and Amazon, we saw the smartphone being available at around 37,000 rupees or thereabouts for the base variant. And similarly, the higher variants were also discounted, which is good news. But if this new thing happens, if the phone is made in India, then my hope is that during the Diwali sale, we'll get some killer deals such as the base variant at around 30,000 rupees, at which price I would say this phone is a steal. Now, in our review of the iPhone SE 2020, we did say that the old design, the small battery, and of course that feeling of paying 42,500 rupees and getting a compromised device is not the best thing in the world, which is why the rating also was not that great. But at the same time, we did praise some facts such as the A13 Bionic processor, which is as powerful as the processor on the flagship iPhone that costs $1.5 lakh or so. And you also get IP rating and wireless charging, which are not very common even at that 42,500 rupees price point. So if during a Diwali sale we get a dream price of around 30,000 rupees or so, that would be fantastic. The reason I'm a bit skeptical about that price arriving anytime soon is that we've already seen some other made in India iPhones. Now, I think the iPhone 11 and 10 are assembled in India, and there are also a couple of other iPhones that are being assembled in India right now. And the prices of these iPhones are not exactly mouth-watering, are they? I mean, the iPhone 10R was available at 40,000 rupees during one sale. I think it was last year around Diwali or so. And at that price, it was absolutely a steal. But after that, it's been hovering around maybe 45,000, 50,000 or thereabouts during various sales. But I should remind you that the launch price of that device was a crazy 77,900 rupees or so. And it was not great value at that price, but at around 50,000 or so, it's good value. At 40,000, it's amazing value. So I really hope that we see something similar with the iPhone SE, because that phone does have a few things going for it. If it were priced a little lower, I'd feel really comfortable recommending that, because it is at the end of the day a solid device that's priced just a little bit high in my opinion, and also based on our review. So that's it for this video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you liked it, and let me know via the comments what you would like to see. We don't do too many news videos. If you'd like to see more of these quick updates, then do let me know via the comments. I'll be reading them and I'll try my best to follow some of the feedback you give in the comment section. And as always, for all things tech, you can go to gadgets360.com.